Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing these $2,500 CORSA Extreme mufflers that I waited a solid 7 months to get, and we're going to be chopping them up and installing them on my SL55. If you haven't seen the previous two videos, what we did was we basically removed the stock exhaust and the stock headers. We installed some mid-length headers, and now we're basically going to start working on the piping from the mufflers to the headers. And in this video, we're just going to be chopping up a ton of piping, basically showing you guys our process and how we were able to install these mufflers and make them fit, because these mufflers are for a Mustang from 2018 and 2019. In addition to that, we're also changing the diameter of the actual exhaust tubing from 2.5 inches to 3 inches. So if you want to actually just replace the mufflers with these CORSA mufflers, you can follow this guide, purchase the 2.5 inch mufflers from wherever you get them from, and it should be a plug and play aside from chopping up the actual muffler box. So obviously there's going to be a little bit of a difference, such as the way these mufflers are mounted. That being said, if you guys want to recreate this exhaust note for yourself, here's the video. Here's the perfect video, because I have an hour's worth of footage that I need to cut through and able to get you guys the proper steps to actually do this at home. Stay tuned.
Don't bend it.
So for each cut, 2.5 blades?
Yes.
Wow. Alright, so progress update. We already have the driver's side tacked in place. We're going to be doing a dual X pipe. I ran up on my Instagram. A lot of people said do a single one. I'm going to do the dual X pipe. I think it's a lot better. Headers, obviously, still where they are. Everything is fine and dandy. It's just getting these last 3 feet of piping done. This dual X pipe that CORSA sent with the Mustang mufflers, they're working pretty good. I mean, they fit pretty well too. Have no problems whatsoever fitting. Of course, you're gonna have to adjust some stuff on your own.
The cheap way fix.
need to weld that in place.
So now, this one you can still move it a little bit around. Yeah. Is that good there? I didn't tie weld this piece. Is that good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. That's good. One more on this corner. Oops, sorry. I think I got it. And the tape.
Yeah.
Alright. Brad, I'm welding. Right. Back here.
Alright guys, just to summarize everything that we did today, we basically installed the mufflers by tack welding the hangers in. We tack welded after adjusting the ends that connect the muffler to the pipe. We tacked those in. That's now fully adjusted. That's going to work perfectly. Same thing with the other side. And then we managed to wiggle the X pipe into the car. Now this X pipe isn't the original X pipe I was intending on using. I found out CORSA had sent an X pipe, a dual X pipe with these mufflers. I had no idea, so went ahead and just decided to use those. Took a lot of load off our welding and everything because this X pipe is actually quite long. But now we're gonna be we've done the hangers for the 2 hangers on the mufflers. Out here we're starting to work on getting our way to the headers, where we just need to fabricate some more room for the down pipes, and that's going to take a little bit more time, but we're almost there. We have a few pieces of metal left where we can go ahead and get everything situated. In addition, down pipes are really shitty. I mean, like, seriously, how is that supposed to go anywhere close? Like, yeah, I know it looks like this looks like it can, but no, it won't go anywhere. I think these down pipes were not meant, I solely believe these down pipes were not meant for an SL. I actually believe that they were meant for a E55 or CL55. But I mean, come on, like, these are honestly, these down pipes are honestly a joke. And if you ask me, what we have to do is what we already did, part of it. So this is the other down pipe. We cut this down pipe out, and we are going to grab some 3-inch piping, and we're just gonna see if we can get it on there and do it like that, or like that, something along the lines of that. But that's the initial goal. We're gonna run this pipe out over here, and that's it. We're gonna have to bend this up a little bit because this is not gonna fit no matter what we do. We bend this up a little bit, bring it out here. We could probably wiggle this out that way, make it fit that way. But that's the update for, that's where we're at now. In the next video, we're gonna basically finish up this final portion. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.